how to set up your audio interface in FL Studio and record through your microphone. If you're a beginner, the best settings ever that you have to put in place if you wanna speed up your production. You ready? Let's do this right after the intro. For you to install your audio interface in FL Studio and record through your microphone, you need to install your audio interface drivers. If you are using Scarlett, M-Audio, Focusrite, you have to install the drivers. Alright, so first let me show you my audio interface driver, the Ultra Pro. This is the setup. I've already done that, so I'm not gonna install it again. For you have to install yours first before you can set up in FL Studio. Next thing you have to do is to open that audio interface drivers. Alright, then you have to do a little bit settings here. The sample rate, I mostly choose the 48 kilohertz. Alright, the least buffer length you choose, the less latency you're gonna experience when recording your vocals. And when you are making beats, you have to choose the highest buffer length so that you're gonna have more processing power. After that, just hit apply, and this is super simple. Now when you come to FL Studio, head over to options, then we'll go to audio settings. Next, input and output. I want you to click here and select your audio interface. So if yours is Focusrite Scarlett, it's gonna appear here. Alright, all you need to do is to choose that. Then I want you to reset this. If it's like this, just right click and head over to reset. If you want to get more processing power, just push it all the way up so that you get more processing power. Next, I want you to reset this to be like this. On priority, change it to highest. Then playback, choose what mixer, like that. I want you to enable multi-threaded mixer processing, and you can also enable smart disable. Alright, I don't want you to do any settings here. Alright, so after that, if you want to record, just come here and choose your audio input here. Alright, so now you can see when I talk, there's a signal here. This is super simple. Now that you know how to set up your audio interface in FL Studio, watch the next video to know how to introduce or add sample case or sample pack in FL Studio. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is God's Side. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.